Hi everyone, my name is Rongtai Xu, founder of Miracle Corporation. Thanks very much for your time to join us. We are here to prove why Miracle Corporation is your best choice for translation, interpretation, and other kinds of projects related to language service. We would also like to introduce you the details of this contract, cover text, shadows, bugs, and deliverables as required, and illustrate how our company will carry them as a perfect contractor. One question that you may ask is, why are we here? Why we have to spend our valuable time on this guy and listen to him blabber for 10 minutes? Let me tell you. We are here because we care about our community and want to contribute to the mature understanding between the different racial and ethnic groups. The Department of Industrial Relations is dedicated to improving to the health, safety, and the economy well-being of over 18 million wage earners and helping their employers comply with their state labor laws. Wage earners who post limited English proficiency may encounter difficulty and confusion resulting from lack of exposure and translation in the language that they are more familiar. Therefore, Miracle Corporation is deadline to take the responsibility and provide the professional translation for these members and their community. Then you may ask, why Miracle Corporation? Why this guy? Is there anything special with this guy and his company? The answer is yes. Miracle Corporation is the global leader and innovator in language and contact management solutions. For over 25 years, Miracle Corporation has helped companies communicate with confidence and deliver transformative business results by unveiling powerful experience that engage customers across multiple touch points, all strengthened by our human experience and machine learning technology. Today, Miracle Corporation is unveiling companies to create, translate and deliver and personalized connect to support meaningful customer journeys and from important emotion by making understanding possible. The world's biggest the world's biggest brands trust medical computation's experience in management and language translation, with 90 out of the top 100 global brands working with us to underpin their content creation, translation, and delivery. Now you are quite familiar with Miracle Computation and why I'm here. I would like to introduce our text and the obligations of the contract in detail. Basically, we need to translate English documents to other foreign languages during the 2 years contract. As you can as you can see from the PowerPoint, the works include but not limited to formats, legal documents and contract posters, brochures, informative notice and websites like web pages, and correspondence and conversion of technology complex forms into the foreign languages. The Language Service Provider (LSP), which is our company, will deliver complete translation to DIR within 5 business days. The languages included in the contract are Chinese, Hmong, Korea, Pajanga, Russia, Spanish, uh, Mexican, Spanish, and Tagalog, Vietnamese. We also need to complete the proposal text in the contract. There are two kinds of tests, job text and insurance text. Now, I won't bore you guys with the long items in the contract because they will only backfire and make you guys hate me and my company. We wouldn't want that, so I will only introduce the service items that are already on your agenda. For the job text, medical computation will deliver complete translation to DIR with 5 business days. The formatting of all complete files must actually match the English version and agree to in writing. Now, that may be a bit confusing for people who are not familiar with the difference between languages. Let me give you an example. The writing system of Arable starts from the right of the page and continue on the left. If the source language is left to the left, the target language must match the English version. We will also provide the complete translation documents from the native font specials by DIR, cause that was what we do. For the ancient text, medical computation will maintain state workers' compensation and employer liability. Coverage for all employees who will be engaged in the performance of the contract. Medical computation shall maintain professional liability covering and damages caused by a error, act or omission with limits not less than 1 million per claim and 2 million aggregate. Our company is financially robust and healthy. As you can see from the histogram on the left, our gross revenue of the fifth year reached more than $250,000. Among our company sales, the translation projects are our major products which take up more than half our sales. The interpretation projects account for 1/3. Translation and interpretation are two of the higher products. The line chart on the right shows the stable increase of your revenue over 5 years. Medical Corporation shall provide a quality written progress report to the project manager of DIR. Keita Smith from May 1, 2016 to May 1, 2018. The quality reports are intended to provide a formal feature for communication for DIR. The reports are also required as a conditional for payment of invoice submitted from medical computation. The quality reports shall be sent via email to the following parties and on a quality base and should be accompanied with the invoice for service rendered during the same period. All quality reports include two types of contents: translation service details and a monthly translation summary report. The translation service details will cover language request, date and time on the request, service start and ending time, translator information, rate code or total charge per service. The monthly translation summary report includes totally number and percentage of the language request, totally charge per language. Here's our budget for this contract. As you can see, every charge item is listened to in the chart. We charge for hours for each language. We also have rates for the quality report depending on the hours that we spend on. Thanks again for joining me. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. Just visit my website. Have a good day.